In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Binance to Web3 Wallet. So if you want to send any coin from your Binance exchanger to Binance Web3 Wallet, this video is for you. So after you open the Binance app, now go to the Web3 Wallet. So after you come to the Web3 Wallet section, now go to this asset. After you come to this asset section, now swipe to up and tap on this receive button. So from this receive, now tap on this receive tokens from Binance exchange. So tap on this. So from this list, now it will give you all the list of currently coin that you are holding on your Binance exchanger. Here it says your spot and funding account asset on Binance Wallet supported chain. So it will give you all the list of of tokens that you are currently holding on your Binance exchanger. So just go ahead and select the coin you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer USDT from the Binance exchanger. So just select the USDT. After you select the coin, select the network. Now tap on this continue. So from this option, go to this confirm. Now here is my address and here is the network. So all you have to do, just go ahead, specify the amount you want to withdraw. So for the USDT is $10 is minimum. I would just go ahead and type like $200. After you type in the amount you want to transfer from the exchanger to the wallet, just tap on this withdraw button. From there, the USDT will be sent, or the coin will be sent into your Binance exchanger. If you want to see the balance after you just send both, just go back. If you want to see the balance, go back like this. So if you open the wallet exchanger, if you come to this assets under the wallets, under the Binance Web3 wallet, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see the balance of the coin you sent in this asset section. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.